Hello everybody, hope you had a great weekend. Welcome back to the Brace Law YouTube channel. This week we are going to talk a little bit about criminal law. Criminal law is another aspect of my practice. I have been doing criminal law for quite a while now, and it was the first field where I did my articles in. Anyway, we're going to start off with the basics. What to do when you get charged with a criminal offense. So there are two ways that you will be released once you've been charged with a criminal offense, depending on the nature of the charge. Now, this does not undermine the seriousness of a criminal offense that you've been charged with. However, depending on the facts that the police have so far, and also depending on the nature of the charge, you could be released on a promise to appear or on a show cause hearing. On the promise to appear, it is a piece of paper that's given to you, and it has two dates. One date shows you when you need to go and give the fingerprints and photograph, and the second date is for your appearance in criminal court. So the first time you have to appear before a justice of the peace, where you will be getting your initial disclosure. If you are released on the promise to appear, you most likely will also receive an undertaking with certain conditions. And you have to abide by these conditions because you are promising that you will not breach. Breaching any of these conditions will get you another criminal offense, which is a breach of undertaking or recognizance. So this is if you are released straight from the police station. The second type of release is on a show cause hearing, and this is quite important because this is where the police will take you to court and you'll be held for a show cause hearing, and you must have one or two people who will promise the court that they will supervise you under strict restrictions. And this will be a release on a recognizance, or otherwise known as a bail hearing, or you'll be given bail. When you appear for a show cause hearing, you are appearing before a justice of the peace. And usually this will be conducted by a lawyer of your choice if you already have a lawyer, or by duty counsel if you don't have a lawyer. Duty counsel, they are lawyers that work at the courthouse. They'll come downstairs, they'll interview you prior to you being sent upstairs in the courtroom, and they will try and negotiate some terms of release with the appointed crown for bail. Now, my advice is that you need to retain a private lawyer to do your show cause hearing, because what we do is we try to get you the best conditions of release so that you do not feel that you may breach any of these conditions. Because remember, whatever conditions are imposed on you, you have to abide by. And if you cannot abide by those conditions, then you are breaching again and you will be arrested and charged again. Important fact that you need to keep in mind is that if this is your second time or third time being arrested, or the nature of your charge is quite serious, you will need a surety or two sureties if you are going to be held for a show cause hearing. So what is a surety? A surety is a person that promises the court that they will supervise you. They'll act as if they are the police, and they'll make sure that you abide by all of the conditions on your recognizance. Sometimes the justice of the peace will want to ask the surety some questions, and sometimes the crown, or most likely the crown, will want to interview your surety or put the surety on the stand to make sure that this is a good surety, and they'll make sure that you abide by the restrictions that will be imposed on you. The surety also promises an amount of money. This amount of money is not paid to the court, but should the surety not make sure that you are abiding by the conditions, that surety could be losing that amount of money. So this is just some preliminary information that's good to know if you have gotten arrested for the first time. However, if you do get in trouble, or if somebody that you love or care about has gotten in trouble, please call us right away or visit us at our website, www.bracelaw.ca, and consider it handled. Enjoy the rest of your week, and I'll see you next time. Bye.